How you doing, guys? It's Kobe from Audi Warwick, and today I am going to show you how to properly install your Audi roof racks. On each of the roof racks, it'll give you an indication with a diagram showing where to properly place your roof rack. So now we are going to place the roof rack in the according positions. So here's the tool that you're going to use for tightening the roof racks. As you can see right here, these two indicators are not lined up, but when you tighten down the roof rack, these will slowly start to align. That's how you know they're fully tightened. So when putting your roof racks in place, you want to make sure that the two prongs underneath align with the two holes that you see here. So I'll quickly demonstrate. Now they're in, now I can tighten. So hopefully this helped in installing your Audi roof racks, and if you have any further questions, stop by at Audi Warwick.